Hey, Chef Andre here. Today we're going to do a smoked rosemary filet mignon. Now you can also use these steak techniques for pretty much any flavored steak. First thing we're going to do is inspect the meat. Look for things to trim off like silver skin, excess fat, or just little pieces that don't look good. So we look it over and we found a couple pieces of silver skin. That's that gristle stuff that you just can't chew up. You gotta take it off and just slip that knife underneath the edge and take it off without taking off too much of the good meat. We're gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. Helps the rub stick to the meat. Also distributes the flavor around nice. Make sure you coat them really well. All over. And now we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with it. It tastes great. Make sure you cover it all. Top, bottom, sides, and get it nice and coated on there. It helps to concentrate the flavor. Now for the rub: 2 tablespoons of ground rosemary, a tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I like to put the dried whole ingredients into a spice grinder, but you could just buy them ground if you'd like. You're going to coat those fillets real nice, evenly coated, use up all that rub. And then you're going to set it out on the counter for about an hour. That brings the internal temperature up and you get some real nice even cooking. Now it's time for some grilling. Heat your grill up to 600 to 650 degrees. If your grill can go higher, you can go a little bit, but not too much, or else you're going to burn that rub right off. Now we're going to turn the steaks 45 degrees. This gets those nice grill marks, increase the seared area, and it helps seal in those juices. Make sure we're checking it, re-seasoning it. I like to season it at least once during cooking. Some of that rub, salt and pepper falls off and when you're changing it on the grill plates there. Now we're going to be flipping the steaks over. Use a new hot spot on the grill so you get that nice sear. If you flip it over in the same spot, not much is going to see. Turn the steaks another 40 degrees. Gets those nice grill marks going for you. And always turn it onto a new hot spot on that grill. You don't want to be opening that cover up too much, as it lets out the nice heat. But you do have to pay attention to it. Now when it should be about rare here, I finish it the last 5 minutes on the top rack, reduce the heat a little, and keep a close eye on it. The flare-ups cause bitterness and also burns off that rub. After about 3 or 4 minutes, you should be about medium rare. Time to check on it. And you can just go by time or get a thermometer, but after you cook about 1,000 steaks, you just kind of know when it's medium rare. Take the steaks off of the grill, let them rest for about 10 minutes. Put a little foil tent on top to retain the heat, and it evenly distributes it so you get nice cooked meat without having a raw cold center. And that's it. Enjoy. After I take them off, I drizzle it with a little bit of white truffle oil. Gives it a nice touch and nice finish. You can also add some butter. Have a good one. Thanks.